Hi everyone, today we're looking at Look Fantastic for September, and it's a lovely box with September fit products, I would assume. I love it that it's black, as I'm going through a black phase. So let's take a look at what it is. It says you are an icon, and inside of the box itself it says you are iconic. So let's see what they mean by that, shall we? September is Skin Awareness Month. I guess after a whole summer of being out and tanning, it's a good time to look at your skin and see how healthy it is. Mine is a complete mess from sun damage. Definitely need to do something about that. So let's look at the very first product is Elemis Pro Collagen Hydrogel Eye Masks. And as I feel it, it feels hard to the touch, but maybe it's just the container where the little gels are attached to. I will definitely try this on so that you guys can see. These clinically proven hydrogel eye masks are formulated to instantly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Keep it on for 20 minutes. It is a good idea that when you're using a product like that and you put it on, afterwards, instead of just washing it off, just bring it down your face and down to your neck and hands. That's what I always do when I use a mask. I don't care what type of mask it is. For my regular viewers, you will see my hair is slightly different today. What I decided to do is I was tired of that black, so I just sprayed some dry shampoo just to give me more of an even color. And that's the trick. I actually have a gray gel that I could use if I wanted something more permanent. But I think just this gives me less of a Cruella look, and I could have used more or less, but it's just enough to be a little different. Everybody wants what they do not have, and I want that white head of hair. But here it is. I can pass before all gray. See, this is all gray right here and here, but not so, over here I have a big black Cruella. Anyway, so that was the first item. The second item is Nail HQ cuticle oil. Super excited about that. For some reason, I got a hangnail, and I don't know if it's normal because of the time of the year, but it's nice to have that cuticle oil to keep even the skin of around my nails in good standing. I can't find anything here on the Nail HQ other than it has avocado, almond oil, and vitamin E on it. So let me see if it smells. Yeah, it just smells like a regular oil. To use the cuticle oil, you will want to just put a drop at the cuticle area, massage it, and then massage on top of the nails themselves. And this product is from the UK. So good for my nails there. Then we have Bleach London Reincarnation Shampoo. That's funny. New life with every wash. So I have the conditioner and the shampoo as well. Ooh, the next item, it's called Disciple Dreamy Skin Retinol Night Oil. I guess it is some sort of offshoot of Retinol, vitamin A based oil. I cannot read it. The letters are so tiny. What I would assume it is some sort of retinoid oil that will help. If I find more information on it, I will let you know. Oh, it smells herby, like almost woodsy. I like the way it smells, and it is an oil, so you could probably put this on your face at nighttime, since they're talking about dreamy skin night oil, and it will probably have some sort of vitamin A. I will write it down here if there is a vitamin A component to this that will help revitalize your skin. Even though the Discipline Dream Skin Retinol Night Oil is called a night oil, it can be used both morning and night. You will just gently massage 4 to 5 drops onto your clean face and neck. It reduces pigmentation, lines, and pore size while deeply nourishing, de-stressing, and radiance boosting. Now they do have the final product on this box is the Ren AHA oil. It's kind of like a glow oil. If you have skin that is peeling, which I have none, thank goodness, this works as a tonic that will, the alpha hydroxy acid will exfoliate the peeling, and it's also known to be gentle enough to use daily. This is a great product, you guys. I actually have the entire line and I highly recommend it. I think everything about the product is earth friendly. Even the boxes where they send the products are made of corrugated plastic. They're sturdy enough that you can send it back so that they can be reused. So I love this line, and I appreciate that they sent this little glow AHA toner, Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Clean to skin and clean to planet. It is their logo. Fantastic company. It has a citrus hint. So that was it for the September edition of the Look Fantastic box. And they are already advertising for their calendar, for the Advent calendar. So you might want to jump on that as soon as possible. I think you can pre-order right now. They sell out super quickly. You might want to get that done as soon as possible if you're interested. You would pay something like $100 and get $600 in products. I hope they send me one so that I can share the products with you. But like I said, the demand is so high that I don't think they even need to do PR for these boxes. All right, have a good one.